Boris Johnson is set to call EU leaders this week to warn against blocking vaccines from entering the UK, as Brussels ramps up its rhetoric over restricting vaccine exports from the bloc.
If the situation does not change, we will have to reflect on how to make exports to vaccine-producing countries dependent on their level of openness.
On Thursday, EU leaders are set to meet virtually to discuss banning AstraZeneca vaccines from being sent to the UK. The row is reportedly over jabs manufactured in a plant in Holland, where both the EU and the UK have contracts for vaccines to be produced. The Prime Minister is expected to call Emmanuel Macron and Angela Merkel before they make their decision later this week. British ministers have warned the EU's international reputation is on the line if it is seen to break international contracts. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen threatened last week to override vaccine patents, take over manufacturing sites and block the exports of vaccines, as the EU struggles to inoculate its population against coronavirus. So far, just 1 in 10 EU citizens have received a COVID jab, compared to over 42% of Brits. Vaccine makers Pfizer and AstraZeneca have urged the EU to keep international borders open for their jabs, as any export bans could be met with retaliation. The UK produces key ingredients for vaccines created in the EU, with concerns Downing Street may prevent these from entering the bloc. British officials have insisted they will not ban the export of any vaccine or vaccine component, even if Brussels decides to blockade the UK. Government sources say Britain will not harm its global reputation as a place for firms to do business, and if the EU decides to block vaccine exports, a message will have been sent to global companies that Europe is an unreliable partner. Meanwhile, the UK remains on track to end restrictions by the 21st of June, whilst many EU countries are facing a third wave of coronavirus and are introducing tougher lockdowns. Stephen Edgington, The Sun.